with like the funeral home, because all of these souls that are here, you know, trying to speak and trying to connect. And first of all, your mom departed. Your mom's standing right next to you. Can I get up?
What?
Your mother's right here. The way that it works for me is that when I'm in a room or I'm in an area, all of your souls will try to come through and speak. And she was just standing next to you and saying, that's my daughter, that's my daughter. So know it's your mom's way of just acknowledging that you're here and letting you know that she is okay. This was a woman who had suffered.
The Lord will keep you from all evil. He will keep your life. The Lord will keep your going out and your coming in from this time forth and forevermore. The Lord will keep you from all evil. He will keep your life. The Lord will keep your going out and your coming in from this time forth and forevermore. The Lord will keep you from all evil. He will keep your life. The Lord will keep your going out and your coming in from this time forth.
Please do not be afraid. It is time. Although war in this world is unacceptable, this is as much my creation as my Father's. We tried to lead you on the right paths, but your race has squandered our gifts. The horns of the righteous shall sound unto thee, and those who are deemed worthy shall be raptured from this unholy place. Only shall this world be fit to live again, when the wickedness is cleansed from its soil. I shall bring plagues and waves of fire and ice to wipe this place clean. And the ground will stand still once more. Those deemed unworthy will bear witness to the horrors that will soon commence.
Omnis stulti estis, sub ungulis mais commono eris, urbes twas depredivo, muliers twas rabium, et omnis viros twas occidum, satis diu in meo regno genus tuum quod, infirmis est, te iteri non potest, Deus tuus era liquid te, Deus ex machina fugit, spes est, vos imitamini, pro deci centina milia serviris, et numquam extinguitur, any raptus quadem te salvit.
My child, please do not run. You are worthy. You accepted me as your Lord and Savior. So come with me, and you will see a world you could have never imagined. My child, he is a liar, I am Christ. That is the fallen angel. If you go with him, your soul will be damned for eternity. Come with me and I will show you the way.